So this is a Nord 2 5G. It's pre-released. It's in release on 7/22. It's officially on the Oneplus store in AliExpress. It's gonna be $1,000. So the CPU is a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 AI. It charges 65 watts, 48 megapixel camera, has 8 gigs of RAM, 16 megabyte front, 6.4 screen, Bluetooth 5.1. It has Wi-Fi 802.11ac. Has 5G support. Has a 4,500 milliamp battery to almost like 6K, but it's 5,100. Actually, 4,500 then. Has a 128 gig SSD. Display is 2400 by 1080. Type C. Two SIM cards. So it says it might have Bluetooth 5.2, but so these are the specs on this website. Mix support up to 168 hertz refresh rate, and it's the fifth fastest CPU. So it's 6 cores. Made in 2021. Has a 4,500 score. The Kirin is faster. It's the fifth fastest CPU, so it's not bad. But if you want to get pre-release, it's like $5,000. No reviews yet. I mean $1,000. So yeah, peace.